awala mechiawa wentimi anye drainage no.
Good morning.
Abanya sase wo ho nyina na o maton awie etro mu ntimi fa drainage dem fa ho mwa ene team owuye na joma ama bae ene nsuo anija ekabom e wo sekre ekum nipa over 300 yewe ye be ka chese 100 and something muga se ni yenim de na eko ekum nipa bebre.
Smart, the king of morning show. He is smart.
John so wanye
he is the best.
And the 2016.
The king.
And the Kofa Nananebu. The worst ever president in the whole of Africa.
So.
Obaya no Kofa Kwabia. Yes, you omeye. Yeah. Your first say works and housing minister. Your friend Atacha
is the king.
Say opportunity to na be dia kunya.
My lord.
My lord. And on also try one my day MP dada no say Jawa Kwabia 200 besi ko di MP di minister. Man so da hono wo chebi akonya ho no o che hiri versus Atacha man so ne kakraka my lord Ghana for winya ho hwe enche ebeyiditi why na be koma hwan abedi na why na be transfer hwan agi atum sa fe de me nkobiu sa akonya na da ho no man so da ho no e be te se ngegenge ka se heat and really another day story Atacha bedi Western Housing Minister what was an heat ban trim was him by your door na mbedwiri ni ma ato agu mbedwiri ni ma wia na me six skyscrapers what was no pa onum coffee na kufa do Fred say Hatafe are you home when I say yes I say I want to see you immediately
Come to Nema
come. Hey, you said that one and then you always want to talk rubbish. What is wrong with your head? You just telling the people of this country that you want to put down the time the man built skyscrapers. Do you want to put down my house? That house as I'm living in is a legacy house from my father. You know very well as myself, I haven't built any house before. That house is my father's house. Hey. I have not just said about starting the house at East Legon. You want to put down my father's house? Atacha, are you crazy? Atacha, are you mad? You want to put down a very beautiful house my father built? If you want to concentrate on the odor, concentrate on the odor. You want to build skyscrapers in Lima? You know the number of people you go to dissipate over there. But it is a $1.3 billion, Mr. Chu. The money has gone west. And Atacha was mysteriously reshuffled. Atacha anye ni pa biom akufo do aban mu abesi de. Ode me lord, no my idea akwa no kotum.
Na odododio ha no. Mo to amamia.
Akufo do wantimi anye. Me to am pese me kan enkran nsu e fa mo asem. I'm not interested ever again.
Ojai.
Sanka me na me ye bampani dia.
Wani.
Eno de me nkasa meyo. Ene e kwai bia me fa so a. Me did the biggest drainage. A free soro beba bebo punumu no de eno meye. Sebeka Jubilee House a medwiri. I'm being honest though. Me your president in the capital no ebeko Kintampo. Ebeko the center of this country. Ebeko. And I can for yata no metra say you could loan then and run America say I'm no say president ben and finance minister akadwam
when
Mr. Aju Rollins the finance minister na ye hwan kwesi boche ene Kwame Pepra kwesi boche wanwane okakroyim owu ha Kwame Pepra ko jail by odate ha onkoi Victor Solomon Krano okoho bewuyi e wo Ghana hayai wanwane je kufo offer your safmafo or to claim JB or some of Wedani. Okay. Kojo Bahare do the finance minister track room here no wu yemwa. Yeah. Professor Mensaba no kofa yem papa penny Dr. Kwamanado for former governor of the Bank of Ghana. But also to claim Wedani. Wedani mebwa. And John Dramani Mahama Baye from 2012. No, 2013, 7th January. Or buy no kofa setape buy patro setape we dwane setape that to kroma eba ne say na Akufo Addo nko ne finance minister we dwahwe sa papa no wo wudi na chi wo babu na kum
manka ne ye kra
sa so be di Akufo Addo wo ene sa na busuafo no sa na gabi okyerdako ene ne asante be di eto ne sa na chimfo no odne twa omo hia na. I don't want to sound tribal. What's who di Akufo Addo? Sa papa no so di na chia. Me do nya no hye na yi ase. Wo ba bu na kunu. The only president in this country the finance minister Waira in the Fourth Republic. Even Rawlings, the finance minister Nyane. Kwame Nkrumah, the finance minister Nyane. Yey. Buzia, the finance minister Nyane. Onua Maakye Addo ne papa be di president 6 months, the finance minister Nyane. President be any Nkrumah the finance minister Nyane. Jim Kwante tia we nu. San kretia for we.
Wani
Baba also pa akretia Dani asa kwadu asa. The finance minister Kagem, na me tumbo asa me kasem twene ho yi. President Ben Pan and the finance minister we took on so on mom habiem.
Cathedral no de akwan bi aso ebesi.
GH boy, me be adwuma.
Akwan bi aso ebesi.
Finance minister, if you are not tired, I am tired. Me, I don't know because some people baby say when you meet a good person, be careful. Because yeah, very good people, no, we have a very long time of consuming and taking in whatever. But when we are done with you, I can be the best friend, the best husband, the best boyfriend, the best son, the best nephew, the best whatever. But when I am done with you, what from me I don't know. Now, Kwawe, say, and then yeah, say now, or to the school bag, Bonachi. We na bag bonachi sa ya fa say keno friata wo body din pe na emu we Ghana ha na ekura wu sa de we on nam hoyi na asofo wo krom ha so hye white o nyame sum ni nyame betua yenka na kwa we say in less than 1 year on 9 countries okoboha no akoboha. When my dear Ehu, or that you should get a diplomatic passport because they didn't expire. Who revoke why? Time now who revoke no. Or only they won't be revoked because officially or to quite free Ghana. And see, until sir, over return no, which means the diplomatic passport to the free nation. Akwawe. Onua ne normal passport na ye use o Ghana ha no oje ni US visa ena oje diplomatic passport no course no koji sim ena okoji Cayman Island there no oje Canada no oje Schengen ena because we finance minister enti man indefinite eto kuta passport mienu no de nam diplomatic passport ena de mo friend normal passport no sakwa we on number me do nyame say me ye mampani a kama me atete na kunu who can see here captain asem na wo kana no odin what do you mean by that say ye ti asase so na wetimi ama obi a onyem wo ade we a won nam hoyi wetimi ahwe nyame anim ama pemfo awu wetimi ahwe nyame anim ama an innocent pregnant woman we're losing a life, we're losing a child. Now kwa we and nam ho pensioners, including Gloria Akufu. These people have lost their life savings. This guy is walking freely on the streets of Europe and other islands. And look, Abradina continue.
Cathedral.
Akwa when kwasi 70 untumi na ebre.
Cathedral no dey kwen bi aso ebesi.
Akwa when kwasi 70 untumi na ebre. And we are saying say about the same Akufo-Addo nko finance minister and ye hwehwe na ye hu no.
Told ya.
Adan. Jerry. Say ya me no ka say. China former Greek minister. And when I share video now, you are sentencing to death. China, a Greek minister. You had a call at the machine. Actually, in Sase. You had the machine so actually in the night. Na machine no action. Grrrr.
Wani.
Ye kuno. Adentra. Why ye connection be a ama China aboka $10,000. $10,000 and 100,000 Ghana cedis or Ghana. Kind courtesy at forcing. At forcing, I mean, just $10,000. Ye kuma Greek minister. Ye kuno. Abraham, ye de ahoma so de nsa. Ye de ahoma so de nan. Machine wa ha, machine wa ha. Ya twini mu grrr. Ye kuno. But this thing calling himself Kanofuriata, me ma can't tell. De bia wo bete se achimini bia be president edi yemu se be bi ofri yi ansa so ben Akufo-Addo a oye bomb
adan me
nyame
adan
he de bia wo bete so bia be president edi ado wodidim mento abama no
adan me nya Ghana ni bio
ade bia wo be so bi be president edi Ken Ofori dangerous
Ghana for mun sorry o Ghana for mun sorry o
ene sa akwa we ene na wiase mu nyina okuta bag bodachi and president bia mba Fourth Republic mu ndia Fourth Republic Ghana pacho president ben what is the finance minister wedwane what's a wondering who Akufo-Addo is the only president and the finance minister wedwane ye hwehwe na ye hu say akwa we omma woni ma de bia ehu kenofrate nya yanka wawu
Cathedral.
Onua Maakye, he's wishing he's dead.
Cathedral no dey kwen bi aso ebesi. Kwen bi aso ebesi.
Sakwa we onam we.
Cathedral no dey kwen bi aso ebesi.
Na yenya asofo to bi kohiem ko bompa ye Maakye we. Sofo bi a wo sampa ne bi no osoro ne wundi.
Me dem aso nya.
Na Maakye we ye bompa ye man ko. Hwe Abraham. Accra drainage system. First sika ebaye is $750 million. Okay. $750 million in 2017. It went waste. The second amount of money. 2018 sikama 2019. And Akufo-Addo koto ayampia. Ewo Kumase. Say Mahama ntimi anye emensuo to a efankofo nkran no no ne mre so ensi $1 billion abafin and a $300 million beka ho and a heat ba attach ya trim was medwiri ni ma to agi makosi skyscrapers and also amvin
Cathedral no dey kwen bi
kebi ama 2019 year kwa koto abado and nanado eka say Akufo-Addo say ono na breso no de o hye wo mo bo say wo mabusuafo e won kran say nsuo to a emfa wo mo biom and also another $600 million fee and also ahye ye de ne ye beye ye nye into 2021 March ye di 6 match ni wie ye no e na omo hu se o ma di nkwasi asem tanifo etie mfa ncheme o ma di nsenhunu ma menka ne saa na wan ka chem se mi di atem o ma di nsenhunu eti saa na tie de a yempe kwan bi mfa so na omo de o mani kosi Ibrahim Mahama so say Ibrahim Mahama
wani
o ka se obeti odo onim na ne bra Mahama man sika Ghana for mo kai 2021 March na me wo Angel
ni pao bibini au
ena me nso me fa kire me hu no kura na wasem na me say no dabi asem na omode to Ibrahim Mahama so no enye no kure eno ne me trouble e sha ase e wo Angel Kojo Dixon any first person your friend me who we are just general manager of a station Angel Accra me a director of operations ABN now who be question me modam
wani
na me catch say we free hand kwa hello ko catch ya abrefo ne Kwame na Sambani say my permanent free me office na me say what do you mean ye kan Ghana sama what the was sorry na e ba ho Mr. Kojo Dixon.
Jetta.
And I'm teaching.
Captain
First, I'm in Jerry Finebusano. And you're first, I'm in Jerry. That time, I'm producer, friend Jerry Chachamodi. And I'm a cat, Jerry Chachamodi, sir. Chacha. Friend, Sammy Jerry.
he is smart.
Yenum, Momenti.
Naskanwe.
Ena akufado God hwehwe me se men kankan so kura se dem tell me waste time cry ya
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
ya na me bu afu wahu and anti bi ni anti ama me se nua ma ne boche I am fanche me ye kan Ghana asama wo ete se wo twi me mumoja pa chobo for sound no to asema bi anti Ibrahim Mahama
as equipment to be able to help Mother Ghana. They sold this drain that really cost lives a few months ago. So if you've come here to see, it's actually a day and night operation. We work day, we work night to be able to fasten the job. But the job is not a small job. The job likely could take a year, could take a year and a half, but we are at it. And government is supporting us with equipment and fuel to be able to fuel the job. And our contribution is the personnel and the supervision of the job. If government gives me a truck to work and I don't put my name, and next in the truck is actually in magazine and they are selling, they are breaking the parts and selling it, what do I say to government? And with us as a company, we need to insure all the equipment such that if it kills anybody, if it runs into any, if it gets bent, it gets stolen, we are covered. That's why we need to put our stickers on them.
Into zoom my eyes. Proper, very good. Yeah. Mami tini nya kase kakranka ho.
wani
Se Ghana foot me hwe nyamenim to abama MPP bioma maka ni sense so. Ye betimi the acid aye nkwan anom obi awu. Say ye Canada Japan me wo mo pe president na die no. E wo mo MPP ni mu no. Me yankasa meti he. I don't support anybody.
Na de no ho ahyi ne ho abufu. Bawumia.
Me try the party de bekwa koyi daba. Me I don't support anybody. Obi ade na sembra me so say benka mekama no. But sitting here I don't support anybody.
Bawumia. Asakra wonim se o. Nyame na hia yen.
Say yetimi asase so say Ghana ni even Akufo-Addo say 2028 no wu ye. Na Akufo-Addo to be call ballot box mi. Or to reach me yakotimi ko or the kokroboti ko to abama MPP mi do nyame Akufo-Addo betimi the acid ayen kwan ama am wadi wu.
Nyame na hira yen. Na shimu. Sabotwe mamia, o se nyame hira woni semira.
Abraham, Kamanim, I'm Kasam Chro. Come on, look me tall.
Make up ma.
MPP Kwaji Erezi bought $2 billion. Kroma. Central region for Damo Fanchame Saman Koha. By this week, me was central. $2 billion US. Ghana for Munche. Mirror Asantene. Ghana here. Utu for say to a baby. Hey, Tajimino. GHY.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Abraham, $2 billion US. Dollar, maku, 2 billion.
Captain Smart.
Produce a video.
Morning show.
Akufado dankasa. Ohu sa video no. Na engineer no church de mu kire no. Na afei ono ankasa ohwe ade na Akufado dankasa ti o se akoye jimi. Na asem ya wo kai. Afei baby o boni ti nko sa. Afei do baby no wa. Afei baby o boni ti nko sa. Afei do baby no wa shed ti no wa hwa akwa nanim di o se ewurade mawo. Ghana for be yemi. Na yesi akwaji $2 billion. Yedi besiesie odo. Produce a video.
Captain Smart, the king.
And cleaning up is going to take about 6 months to complete this one. Then the Kuala Lagoon itself will take a longer time because that's where we have more composition of material, which needs to take a longer time, maybe about a year or 2 to finish. We're going to have recreational facilities. That is the sea outfall. So along we have recreational facilities, other infrastructure. We can have some hotels will come at the end, and this makes the whole place. Then we're dredging all the way where we have more composition of material, which needs to take a longer time, maybe about a year or 2 to finish. We're going to have recreational facilities.
Mr. Producer,
that is the
Mobi amam fama some man so. Boko and the heat no was run there. Nah, you can zoom me out. There to him. Sakwa way. When any attach any Akufado. Aqua Kojina ho, set or door no. It's a CC. We're going to build. Mr. Nyama, or your Bushaniana. When we are going to build a recreational center. And the recreational center, it is going to span 230 meters from that distance to the estuary. Your Excellency, we are also going to dredge the Onua Lagoon, even though it is going to take a long time, but Your Excellency will be able to dredge, and then be able to make sure that the hotels will be on the right side to the estuary, so that tourists, when they come, they can get a better place to stay, a better place to sleep. Your Excellency! Get it, Timmy! Pentecost for my microphone, that's what they want to do. Yet it, Timmy!
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
On my way, you're sorry. Opa, I say, Opa Jai. On my chair, sorry. Sayana Sagana Samba. Na me home te. Me would have been jamming home. Na me te. Na me high.
Captain
Mr. President, finally, what we are going to do is to have educational facilities. So, for the first time in the history of Africa, we are going to have a university at the upper side of the Odo. And then we will have a kindergarten on the lower side of the Odo. We can have the most beautiful junior high school and senior high school at the middle part of the Odo. Your Excellency, people who come from London, America, France, and other parts of the world, they will put a boat on it, and then they will put a yacht on it, and then we will have a very beautiful odor.
Papa, she 1 and 2. Woman, you baby crunch.
He is smart. He is unique.
Yet the club had $2 billion. Nobody is talking. Yebenya MPP nkwadanke tenketia Jimmy na yo ntrimuma say achiobi no wakojira CID headquarters dinse really men crying so no na me se men kan ho asem e fiata go no so kura wo hadwen we pepiam sa akwhye mi
Captain Smart.
Meba
So
He is smart.
your friend is saying 2023 what na year what's the house in no
When
2023 oh yeah Debbie Bantama call roots moi Kojo Ponkroma na call works and house bisa Kojo Ponkroma one says say Kojo Ponkroma o pesa aya na Ghana fokora ho ye mesere ye say o branded ho en crofort one ya bobo braces abotai na ye de logo ato machi na o chese onya president to be boche fachemi ebibifo yeah
Bibini ni pao.
ebibifo yeah me can't be in there on a menya asem me nam tiase team said also tiase and fan sa wo fio ebibifo yeah
Bibini oh
yes in 24 sikasa na MPP erezi ye so what the best solve Accra nsuo to afa no bisa asenso gbache wawu so we ochambo ache na ewumwa asenso gbache wawu onya asantini
Chonfo enam wo so
womo di Kumasi Jabi so di Kumasi TUC junction so Kumasi TUC wo free ahojo roundabout eba na wo free Santase roundabout eba e hot na KV in Abraham then times na mo girl bi o
When
Tina Kohosa
Razi my MPP biara onya ahobrase
Tina ni me check me time
ahobrase tetinapa ni mumbio
na yakofa ho na dakro
tetinapa ni mumbio
me Pentecost software Pastor Derek Kweni Mreku
When
no ye Bompata district pastor na wa hihye mpaibo na sa mpaibo mu na se kodwo ekodwo lidi ti ye de matoso wo sere ya sign language a wo sere enti makentwi baya na into JK cell. That time we Easter convention. I was in park and so ho. When you could Jesse, and the nature say ye di him ho fine pa. Ti mako na asa mi refi men kan sa. Say na me sofo so ni me ka no. Enti me sane free ahojo roundabout ho. My branch left ura TUC a Miremwa Apostle Enimuni Santine.
When
that time na ye was sofo bi wo kwada so ye de ne ko Malawi o ye 10 gram mu bi say e mirem fi papa idi e wade yakobo Apostle o ye 10 gram pa oh ye de fi kwada so ne ko Malawi me kind dina mebo say no no nsu the area head chibi enti ase asofo no branch
chain.
Na baby one more branch no. I say what na me so meko. Nti I say bika nyame wo wo chikoto or helto.
Ta. Ajeta.
Eti eye nana. Me dem glass they call from seven who up from seven who apostle. That no was apostle JKSL ne car. Nti me hu. Na pick up white.
So,
or they call from how many apostles him dan crying. So put that kimre kuku eni nsu na teto ho yi. Time na o pesa ye construct ye asafo overpass am be friend interchange no. Me Dr. Richard Anane apotiti mati Kwame Edinkra emranche hene yebo a afari de no wo capital no ye money show your friend say kodoma afro ene Kwame akwabi de friend bibi asese kwasi asese
I don't know.
Ne yakwohwe into 2007 eno mu rezi ho ne kakra no mde ko ta afaso 2008 ne be cheme hoyi masofo e cheme ya
Media nam gwen se manya brand new Pentecost
ni be dem ka me agu be home ko hage
gwen
apostle JKS say 10 yes say 10
Ajeta.
10 now who ya when the Pentecost apostle say 10 won 10 me da na speed bi abedi shame no really wa mo se sa no Abraham baby I me 10 here no wa mo se wo mo be rezi ho na akosoro no more rezi from a year Santasi roundabout Eba. No more rezi from a year that Yamin Shram. Abraham, baby, I make one some you want. Bisa say akumase for a cheminim from I want to run about baby that's why to see ni dino. Sunny courses and that's around about one. I you swear 300 meters. From somebody $485 million.
Oh, Bibini and Nipo.
Sikano, I am ready. Yeah, maybe yes, Swami interchange. No, maybe you want so.
Bibini, oh.
Wait, yeah, maybe yes, Swami interchange. Not ye a honso. Bisamine. Say baby, I'm here by force 10. Cause Apostle JKSL. I want me tiko. Am I make qua sorry? JKSL. I want me tiko. Am I make qua sorry? Besine fio GH boy fio. Unya oboki hata upia moto. Yanka wie ube kama metani. Besine Antiama lost it. $485 million no. Kabashina man mo kan say kabashimane. Kabashimane. Ete chese. Eta chese. Asa eta. Kabashimane eta. Kabashimane eta kante shimaibo. Ano chese kante shimaibo nchese. David don't count. Can't she buy wouldn't count? Kabashimane eta. Skanashi. Cause 735 and I'm called.
Kachuli say,
Gabi Otredaku, Abraham Unimaswaka, or say, the NTR Akufado. Timiyama Ashanti region one developer want to say MPs now one and when you meeting say Ashanti for yam punto. Oh, asama making ebia utu fie wadun be your semwa enra obi ansabo on show so na me nua ta video no mam
na bibini grab e de wiase asema grab bibini aba wiase obresa awu
me sene am producer manabo said the bear would see a would ya wadrin say, my boomy trim and America. Gabi Ochredako say Ashanti region MPs no. Womoni Akufo-Addo ne ono ene wo aka ye nhyiemu no mo ka kire wo say Asantefo hia mpuntu mu hia t-shirt. Enti enam santi Emma MP ba akokra be kan say ye pe MPP t-shirt chain interchange. Nyame na menka ho. Bebo video no. Nyame na menka. MP no ka sa so minim no. Minim no. It is a what Ashanti region. Na waje MPP atan wani ase a ko psychiatric hospital. MP say wa Ashanti region omu do 50. It's nipa 50 per. Enu masem na matie as against yenya ye team Ashanti region ye over 4 million. Gabi Ochredako kasa no abaya bako oye obi a wotu say Asante mpuntu ohia no na maame no sore he osan so no san seda ko fa na chi mane hu say wo jimi wo mo program na sika chem say maame no ka chem say Gabi jimi no. Producer bo
because we didn't lose their roots. MPP let Ashanti down because they didn't have flyovers. But I have been in meetings where MPs from Ashanti region have said that and yet flyovers they want their community closer.
For say, you're born in Kakra. Gabi Ochredako say, people are saying that they left Ashanti region undeveloped. But he has been in meetings where MPs in Ashanti region told that meeting that they are not interested in flyovers and other la illa illallah.
Okay. Razi, my MPP biara onya ahobrase
de tinapa ni mumio hey oseche mensa bunzu name them Dr. Andiapia Kubi then times no MPs no one cry one fremo apare wo na wo chief of staff wo ya Asante ni say na wa committee am ya ka kire mo say Asante de ye mpempuntu ha $485 million. Dakodum TUC Junction. Eshim. Kabashimana eta.
The presidency has been so depraved.
Neko.
So mad.
Ghana for. And that's what in kindness in Suta. Yes, I agree. Mahama is the president. You bet me be some bampani say oh yeah day. But Ghana for say we nim baby a we free a we baby a we be koda. Money. Yem we say $2 billion no away. Kumasi dakodwam hotea kakrai $485 million no and also we.
Na skanu we.
Me enka insu eto wasem. Enra bobi ansa busam se me nka bi mabre. Eja wo yere suma na wankwa a wanhwe ya ye mo aduane ndi. Teje fie pia me sa de makɔhye ho. Ama man come central region asem. Central here this week you better drop it.
Captain Smart.
Ghana for you. I was soon tell say na obisa nana eyewa. Because the tino e here resetting. What say? What's hey, yeah, fencing. One more chairman, yeah, fencing. 17. No, I was so to say, no, say, chairman. Hey, what? Now, I couldn't general secretary, yeah, fencing. Makonta Kodia de oya branch tin ko mu den dan tin say ya wo hwe han wa yen say kakra wasia for that to for why you say kakra wa san wuso no we say kodua eyewa oh because MPP 14 here resetting sorry ko MPP 40 here resetting no we say who anenso to wo be ka bi munja galam say asem no maye yenke ade munka che sa akwa beraka boaje on de ni din meraka no he nyame odim yansa pa wo de afra akwa meraka he jimi bebrebe etimi ya miracle jimi bebrebe etimi ya miracle he miracle no nyani se ni na ya ade a efe o nana Nebuchadnezzar miraculously nyame ma ne dane aboa. So you can be called a miracle awajimi. Nti eyemwa say ye de ye pe ye say oman no ahobrase eti say ye say oman no ahobrase eti say ye say chema wuntumi odem no nya bela ka wo hia no ahyante no no wa wosu ni ti no we send $485 million na ne ye de be ye dakodwom ho no ewen wuntumi sika no wen
adan menya Ghana ni bio Ghana for mu sorry o
Minia that's what it
told ya sha
eti ebushafo yes ye baby samahama na mo answer na ye betime ebusa mahama na ye musa MPP for no say $2 billion plus 1.3 billion plus the kodom $485 million away
Captain Smart
Samikasa me di achi a asa baby agro na ekono de asembeba amenfa wonsi ha na
he is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart.
Men country yina say. As I say, yadri, yes.